So hello friend, welcome back to channel. In previous two videos we are learning on the symbols. Till now we have covered this semicolon, pipe, greater than symbol to override, this symbol for append. Today we will discuss about a symbol called tilde, okay, and star. Okay, so what is tilde? Is denote the home directory. See, currently we are in slash root. That's the home directory of root user. So I will go slash etc and cd slash etc config network. Okay, I am on this location. So I am having two options. If I want to go to home directory, I can put cd. Okay, it will bring me to my home directory. As you can see, it's showing tilde symbol. Second, what I will do, cd tilde. So it will take me to home directory. So now you will say we can run cd by directly. Why you are doing these things? Let me tell you. So see, now I am in slash etc sysconfig network script and you want to execute some file which is in home directory. Then you have to do slash root, then what file we are having, cat slash root test. Okay, so instead of typing this thing you can put this, okay, because it will denote your home directory. Now let assume you have some file to read in a home directory and you will a normal user. Let me switch to a normal user first. Okay, so normal user is slash home slash Amit. Okay, and I will go in etc sysconfig network hyphen script. Okay, and I want to run something. I want to read some file from the home directory. Then dot ssh. We are not having any file here. We'll read dot bashrc. See, otherwise I have to use this command like slash home slash Amit, then this thing. So whenever you run cd with this tilde symbol, it will take you a home directory. So it is representation of a home directory. So in many scripts we are using this symbol to start the path from the home directory. Instead of typing slash home slash username and that thing, we are not using, we will type cd tilde or command with the tilde. Let me clear my screen and become a root user again. Okay. Oh, sorry, su-root. I become my root user. Now, second symbol was star. So, what is star here? It's a wildcard character. Okay. If I do ls, I'm able to see this thing. If I do ls star, it will show. So, star means is capturing all the things. Now, if I do ls star.cfg, so it will list only the file which are having .cfg extension. Earlier whatever it is saying, like we are having anaconda ks and initial setup.ks. Okay, so this is covered by star, whatever it will be, but ending should be .cfg. So we are getting two files. Second use case, we'll do star, okay, then hyphen ks, then star. So it will show whatever will be starting name, in middle it should have hyphen ks, then ending should be like anything. Let me create a file to cover this thing. Amit ks.txt. Okay, we are in one more file. If I execute this command again, I will get only two output, because here I have put the hyphen. If I remove the hyphen, so it will search for the ks in a name. So now Amit ks, okay, it's showing ks. So that's how you can use, like ls-l star, okay, slash var log and we are having message, two message file we are having. So how will it show star? It will show both. After messages, whatever will the thing should be shown here. Okay, and this is a daily routine task we are using star, like du-sh. Okay, will show the current size of the thing. If I want to check for all the files, star, it will read all the files, like what is the size of this thing. And du-sh/etc star is taking all the things, but I want to see only the file size of .conf star.conf. Okay, so you are able to see all the conf file are displaying here in respective to what's the name, but ending should be .conf. That's what we have given, or we can do .txt. There is no txt file here. Okay, so that's why it's not able to found. So whenever you are putting star, it is a wildcard character. Okay, it will won't care what's the beginning and what's the ending. So let's see, ls-l/etc sysconfig network-script, okay, star dot cfg. Okay, there's no file. If we do cfg, that's also not there. Okay, what we are having, we are in if up, if down, these things we are having. So I'm interested to see only if up file. So if up and star. Okay, we are able to see all the if up file. Same we can do if down. Okay, so this is the star we are using here. Let me clear my screen and go to. Now we are having one more symbol called question mark. So what's the use? See, in this file, if you see, it is having CFG, two CFG files. So we are able to do ls-l start.cfg. Perfect, we are able to see two files. Now I want to see all the files which is ending with three character, like I want to include text and CFG. So what we can do, dot 123. Okay, it is denoting here only a single character. Like if I say after dot three character should be there. Okay, so it's matching. If I say after dot two character, it will want, because every file is having three characters. So we'll create a file touch ak.dd. Okay, and we'll create one more file touch ll.p. So this file here will clear my screen, ls-l. Okay, star, we are not bothering about the name, but after a dot only two characters should be there. Okay, if I put one character, okay, if I want to get three characters, we are able to see. Now we'll go to our directory etc sysconfig network-script. Don't do anything, don't touch or don't vi any file. This is a critical directory, but to show you more option how we can use, I am showing you. Okay, so ls-l, so we'll take 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, but what I will do, if 1 2 3 4, not here, 1 2 3 4 star. Okay, after 1 2 3 4 hyphen and then star. So what I will get, if then 4 character 1 2 3 4 should have hyphen and then star. So it will cover bnap, eth, ip, IEEE, these things. So let's see, we are giving. So if and 1 2 3 4. Why we are not getting up? Because up is having only two character. So if I want to see, if I put 2, so I will get all the if up. Okay, and if I remove this thing, then also it will take, because it is a having star. So now what we can do, after 2 we'll have hyphen, then we'll have 3 characters. I want to see only the 3 characters. So we are able to see ETH, triple P and SIT. So like star is showing for all the characters and this is showing only one. I will clear my screen and go to my home directory. We'll get touch apl dot p. Okay. Now ls-l star dot question mark. Okay. And we'll do ls-l slash etc. Inside etc, how many files are having only one character extension? Okay, these are the file. Tempfile.d, xinit.d, repos.d. So these are the file we are able to see inside the directories. Okay, so .d is a directory in etc. If I put two options, we are having only two files, alias.db or mails.rc. Okay, so this how you can use. Most interviewer will not ask you, but this is your routine job. So what we have learned till now: semicolon, pipe, greater than symbol, append symbol, star, question mark, and tilde. There are other options we'll learn in a upcoming video. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.